Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hi, my name is Taylor. I make digital illustration tutorials, draw with me videos, bullet journaling, stuff like that. And if you are familiar with my videos and you've seen me before, feel free to skip to this timestamp just to get right into the draw with me. But if you are new here, I'm just going to answer a few frequently asked questions before I start. So first of all, if you don't follow my Instagram, I do have an Instagram. I know most of you are probably from Instagram because I have more of a following on there than I do here on YouTube, but you can go ahead and follow my Instagram. I post a ton of stuff behind the scenes. I do polls. I give you guys sneak peeks of my content that's coming out. So go follow me on there if you don't already. And also another frequently asked question that I get is what app I use, and I use the Adobe Illustrator Draw app, which is a free app on iPhone and Android, and I do use my iPhone and my finger to draw everything that you see on my account and on my YouTube. I don't have an iPad, I don't have an Apple Pencil, I just use my iPhone, so nothing fancy. And if you are completely new to digital illustrations and you don't know where to start, I do have a tutorial video where I explain the basics for beginners of the Adobe Draw app, and I also have more specific tutorials like how to draw eyes, how to draw a mouth and like teeth and lips, how to draw hair. I have a ton of videos, so if this is the first video that you're seeing of digital illustration, I recommend checking out my more specific tutorials first. But anyways, I hope that you guys enjoy the video. I'm doing a little makeup look in this one. I've been like obsessed with drawing like close-up facial features and like makeup lately. Like that's all I've been wanting to draw. So I made this for you guys. I hope that you like it. I hope that you learn something from it, and check out my other videos for even more resources. Okay, let's get right into the video. Alrighty guys, so I am starting off with the highlights on her face, her little cheekbone glow she's got going on, and the little highlights on her nose. And then I'm filling in her with her skin tone. And then I'm taking my tapered brush and doing the nose details. I love this is like my favorite part of the picture. I don't know why, it's just like so satisfying to me to like just do all of like the highlights and like the shadows. I don't know, I just love it. So that's what I just started off with for this picture. Now that I finished the skin, I am doing the lips, and of course I'm starting off with the highlights. This is a game changer. It's a super easy thing that you can add to your pictures that just make them look so much more realistic and like you tried like way harder than like you actually did, and it just adds so much to the picture. So if you don't do lip highlights, definitely recommend it if you want your pictures to look more detailed. But now I'm doing the eyes. I'm just coloring in the white parts and then adding in like a little gray shadow for some dimension. I have a whole video about how to do eyes. If you guys want a more detailed, slowed down version of it, I will link it right in the top corner now. Now I finished up the eyebrows, and I'm going to move in doing like her eyeshadow, even though it wasn't really like eyeshadow, it was more like kind of glitter. It was like little like glitter pieces. I don't know, it was so cute. I saw this picture on Pinterest and I just had to do it because I've been obsessed with like makeup looks, like close up makeup illustrations lately. Now I'm working on the eye again, and I love this little trick that I'm doing, the gray like shadow over the eye. It just makes it look so realistic, and I go over this more in my eye tutorial video, so again, check that out if you want more full details on how I do eyes. Now I'm just adding some blush, and what I do for this is I take the lip color and then I turn the opacity down to like 15 or like 15, 20-ish, and I just love the way it looks. That's like the technique I use for the blush, if you guys didn't know. I don't think I've gone over that in a video yet, but yeah, that's my little sneaker for how I do the blush. But now I'm doing the eyeshadow on the other eye, all the little cute little shapes. I love it. It's so cute. Alright guys, that wraps up the draw with me. I hope that you guys like this video. As always, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more digital illustration content. I am posting Monday, Wednesday, and Friday here on YouTube, or at least I'm trying to, and I'm trying to post every single day on my Instagram, so follow me on there for behind the scenes content, for polls, questions, getting little sneak peeks of what's coming, and I also post my video schedules on there so you guys know when certain videos are coming out. You guys can always feel free to leave a comment down below with any questions you have about digital illustration or any video requests you guys have, because I love making content for you guys that you guys actually want to watch and like want to learn from. So feel free to leave a comment down below, or of course you can always DM me on Instagram. I reply to all my comments and I reply to all of my DMs. Feel free to send me a DM of like your recreation or like your art that you've been doing. I love when you guys send me little pictures that you guys made from learning from my tutorials. It means a lot to me. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Subscribe for more content Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Little baby in a bag and I'm working. No, not a vibe, put the work in. Laws and all, I love them all, to me a burden. Baby girl, you got it, girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl, you got it, girl.